Hi everyone, this is Emmy. If you're not following my other channel, you might be interested in some of the videos that I have been posting there recently. And this is one, and it's a doll that is made from socks. So you might be interested. It's very easy to make. And I have another video posted there on how to make these little felt boots for dolls, and you can make any size. And following are some pictures of some of the other videos that I have posted, and I'm going to put a link at the end of this video, and you can go directly over there to see the new videos, and I'll also put a link in the comments below. So have a lovely day, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.